so excited to show you guys what I have. It's the new product from Kylie Cosmetics. These are her new blushes, highlighter, and bronzers. So I got 2 bronzers, 2 blushes, and 1 highlighter. I have so many highlighters from her. I have the Santorini and the Fiji. That's why I didn't get more, but I might get the pink one. But yeah, I got 2 bronzers, 2 blushes, and 1 highlighter to show you guys. So I don't have anything on my face but the Morphe foundation, concealer. I'm going to start with a bronzer. So I pick up 2 bronzers, which is the Toasty and Almond. These are the medium shade bronzers. There are 6 bronzers. I got 2 middle ones. We'll check Toasty first. So I like the packaging. It's very simple. There you go. It says Toasty at the back, and then this is Almond. So you would know that Almond is actually darker than Toasty. Alright, so this is Toasty right there. When you open it, you got a good size mirror. It's small. It could be handy when you're traveling. This is what Toasty looks like, guys. Hold on. Yep. So this is what Toasty looks like. I'm gonna swatch it, and this one is Toasty. I'm going to open the other one, which is Almond. That's Almond, and I'm going to swatch it. Toasty, Almond. I think Toasty is actually light for me, but Almond is perfect for medium skin. Swatch it. There you go. Toasty and Almond. So I'm gonna get the Anastasia A23 brush and Toasty, and I'm just gonna contour. Does it work for my skin? It's buildable, and it's actually working. I like the color. I thought it's gonna be too gray, but it's not. It's nice contour, bronze contour for medium skin like me. It's working. I actually use 2 shades of contour or bronzer, a medium shade and a darker shade. It looks seemingly blended, more blended if you use 2 colors or 2 shades. So far, I like the finish. It's not patchy, which is great for powder bronzer. That's the number 1 that you want. So this has no bronzer, and this one has bronzer. I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, so next I'm going to take the shade Almond, bronzer Almond. It's a warmer shade and a darker shade than Toasty. Big difference, a big jump. I thought like the 2 shades in the middle are supposed to be for the medium skin people like me. It actually worked. Toasty is not bad at all. It's a good shade for contour because it has a gray tone into it. Yeah, so I am Almond for bronzer. Toasty is going to be my contour shade. It's blending well. They're blending well together, and it looks really good. I hope you guys can see this. I'm going to get my nose contour brush. This is from Sonia Kashuk. It's a concealer brush, and it works well for my nose contour, so I'm gonna use it. So I'm just gonna take Almond and use it for my nose contour. Oof. Okay, started really. Wow, that's actually pretty good. Bronzer is really good. They blended very well, and they're buildable. So that's what you want from a bronzer. Your shade, blendable, buildable, and not patchy. That's all I can ask. And it's a good shade. It's a good color. I like Almond the best. Next, we're gonna try the blushes. I got Close to Perfect and We're Going Shopping. These are the blushes. Ooh, okay. So We're Going Shopping is the peach one. No, the orange one. I'm sorry. And then the peach one is Close to Perfect. So I actually like this color better. I like nude blushes, but this is a nice pop color. This one is We're Going Shopping and Close to Perfect. So yeah, Going Shopping, Close to Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna use my RT brush, Real Techniques 300 brush, and I'm gonna go dip and Close to Perfect. Buildable, nice color, nude peach color with a little bit of pink. It reminds me of Too Faced Baby Love, but this one is matte, very matte. Baby Love has a little shimmer. And it's pretty. This is the kind of blush that you can put all over your face. You can put it on your nose, you can put it on your forehead. My mom used to do this when I was a kid. She would put blush everywhere. It's like an old trick. So that's Close to Perfect and I love it. This is my favorite. Next, I'm just gonna get We're Going Shopping. That right at the center of my cheeks, like a pop of color right there. Like somebody pinched my cheeks. That's pretty. I like that. Always heavy on the blush because it's the first thing that goes away. Okay, the last thing that I got is one highlighter. It's the highlighter Ice Me Out. The Ice Me Out is the lightest yellow shade. This is how it looks like. Come on, come on. Swatches like this. Ooh, beautiful. That's next to swatch it here. Yes, please. Okay, so I heard that Kylie's makeup artist, which is Ariel Tejada, he actually said that the more you blend highlighter, the more it's gonna look good. If you have a good highlighter and you blend it really well, it looks like a mirror. So what I'm gonna do is pick up the Kylighter with my, which one is this? The Sigma F35. Put that right on top of the high points of my cheek, right here. Oh my God, look at that. Ice Me Out, darling.
Okay, so I didn't expect that. It's too much for me. Let's go to back. Okay.
That's why sometimes I use a smaller brush, like I start using MAC 224 brush for highlighter. It's really good when you blend it. So look at that. Oof. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit on my forehead, just light hand, just for a glow. Ooh, nice. Okay, and then on the tip of my nose, ooh, on top of my lips, look at my nose. Oh my God, it's such a big difference, huh? And then a little bit on my chin. And I'm also going to put that on my shoulder blade, right here. Okay, so I put some lip. I use Magic Wand from ColourPop Cosmetics, and this is the Ultra Satin liquid lipstick, and I love it. Okay, so for the Kylie Cosmetics new products, new powder face products, which is the bronzer, blush, and the Kylighter, I actually love them. I'm gonna reach for them more than I think. And also, they're very good. The formula is very good. They're buildable. They're not patchy. As you can see, it's really good. Even the Toasty bronzer that I thought that wasn't my shade is a really good contour color for medium skin. The almond one is a good bronzer color for me. And then the blush, I really like Close to Perfect. It's very nice. It's the kind of blush that I like. It's buildable and not patchy. And also I can put it all over my face without overdoing it. We Are Going Shopping is like blush that you have to have for that apple of your cheeks. For the highlighter Ice Me Out, it is very good. It is buildable, and what I like about it is like the first swipe is natural, and then the second swipe it's like boom, right there. It's just shiny and it's blinding. It's really cool. I like the formula. I like how buildable it is, because some highlighters, like once wiped, you can't control it, but this one is controllable. So I actually recommend Kylie Cosmetics highlighters. They're pretty good. For the price point, I think the packaging is actually pretty nice. It's good. You get a decent size of mirror inside. It's really good quality mirror. I like the compact, like the color, I'm all for it, like the silver Kylie here. It's pretty good. So I do recommend, and $20 is not bad. For the formula, I think it's actually reasonable for the quality and the formula. Okay, that's it for my Kylie Cosmetics new face powder product review, which is the bronzer, blush, and highlighter. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and also if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. That would help my channel. Ring that notification bell for more upcoming videos. My name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys. Thank you.